You guys gonna get wet yet?
Well, at least want to get hit on the edge and not in the tree.
Oh my goodness. Oh, Bucko. Oh my God. Oh crap. Oh, poor Brandi.
Oh no, Bucko!
Where did you get away?
That was it.
Wow, look at him, huh? He's a big one. What a unit. Yeah, but he's a unit. Look at him. He's a good boy. Oh, he's a good boy. He looks like you. He's cute. He's good, kitty, kitty, kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty. Oh, look at good boy.
We have 2 stations, 2 train stations.
Brandi? We're going, Brando.
Well, folks,
You
the
ready?
bell rings. Let me tell you, when I arrived this morning, the park was open. And as I walked into Sanibel, I saw a travel group. You know, when sometimes you can tell people are wearing all the same t-shirts, right?
Oh my God.
And there are so many special guests today.
We're about to be cruising.
Some of those guests, let me hear you, have a special connection to TGH.
Woo! TGH.
Yay.
That
I'm not sure how many of you guys were here early in the day. But all right, please stay seated. Please stay seated.
Hell yeah, brother! Steam that sucker out.
All right, as we depart, put up a hand, put up a hand, and wave goodbye to Siani. She's behind us. She's under the umbrella. Everybody look back to us and say goodbye, Siani.
Tell her bye. Say bye. Say bye.
I heard about 8 of you really well. Now everyone this time, say goodbye, Siani.
Bye! Hey! Go!
She's been working hard to help guests enjoy the
Brando.
train.
Hey, Brandi! Brando!
So from the back of the train, my name is Chris. I'm glad to be with you. And I hope you have a wonderful day
Brandi.
here in Busch.
Oh, little Brando and a Janessa.
As we get rolling, let's take a look up to our left at America's first dive coaster. It's Shikra. Here's a little
Shikra.
map.
The Shikra. Yeah, baby. Oh,
You
yeah.
look at the lift of Shikra that takes passengers up, up, up. What is the angle at which those passengers are ascending?
70.
Any guesses? Hands up, show me.
70.
I see a 5, 5. So you could be saying 1-5 or 9-5. I can't tell. Okay, the answer is 45.
45.
Oh, I failed. Now I get it. 45. Some of you had it. Good guess. You can impress your math teacher with that tomorrow. That will surely help you pass the state math test. Well, once those passengers reach the tippy top of Shikra, usually they take one look down and wish that they had just ridden the train ride instead.
Oh, I missed you, Scorpion.
Also in Sanibel, there's an incredible and intense launch coaster, a roller coaster, Tigress. Go see Tigress from the walkways here, even if you don't.
Bye, Scorpion.
And there's a
R.I.P.,
water
little
ride
buddy.
right next to us that I encourage all of you to ride if you can. Up to the left next to us, the Stanley Falls Log Flume is a classic log.
Stanley Falls. Little Brando.
Stanley Falls Log Flume.
Oh my God,
Well, back to the
Brando.
right, some of you might have
They
been.
better hold on. Oh man. Here they go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Bucko. Here they go. Oh man. Oh man. Oh my God. Woo! Here they are. Oh. Woo! Whoa! Woo-hoo-hoo. Wow. Whoa. 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 Holy moly. Wow, they're ripping, huh? Holy crap. Wow. Oh my. Holy crap. They're ripping. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Oh man. Uh-oh, it's slowing down. Whoosh. Like some powerful swings. Oh. There they go. They made it. They made it.